What's up, guys? Triple C Collectibles here. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. It's going to be a lot faster of a video than last time. We got my mystery mail call from ComicTom, and I want to show you guys the box. It's pretty cool. He does a mystery mail call every month for all of his subscribers. Usually has a lot of exclusives in there. He works a lot with like Scout and Image, Marvel, and does some cool exclusive covers.
Yeah, that Wolverine cover is pretty bad.
Yeah, he has some really cool stuff in the catalog, so I'm excited. I forget what the one for this month is, so I'm excited to see what it is. And we also have the other two CGCs from our last unboxing video. They finally came in, the Silver Ages.
Yes, sir.
So
Spiderman keys.
We're excited to show you guys that one. But we'll start out with the mystery mail call.
This to make a little bit longer of a video.
Yeah, I mean, two books isn't good enough for you guys. We want to really show you what we got here. You guys get to see before we do. So first off, we got a Marvel Tales starring Spiderman number 85. You know, Marvel Tales aren't really worth very much, but oops. They're still cool to read, I guess.
Better than some random number of whatever.
Yeah, that's true. At least it's Marvel. We're Marvel boys, so. Next, we got Millennium Week 1. Number 1.
Sure.
Yeah, it's got Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman on the cover, so that's cool, I guess.
Kind of reminds me of the Watchmen type of like look.
Yeah, the art's nice, but we really don't know very much about DC except for Punchline, which you saw last week, so.
I know the Killing Joke. That's pretty cool.
Batman. It's more stuff. Not really Superman fans.
Nah.
Next we got X Babies number 1. So it's got a Young cover, which is cool. So yeah, I'll put that in my Scotty Young collection. Yeah. Don't really know much about X Babies either, but it's a number 1 and Scotty Young, so I'll take that.
First appearance of Baby Cyclops.
Next we got Earth 2 Society number 3. Again, DC, I don't really know much about this, but it's got a pretty cool cover. The art looks pretty nice, so,
like DC fun.
Yeah, well, more DC. I guess I'll make a DC box, too. I don't really have one of those at this point.
All these mail calls you might be getting.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna need one.
Whoa.
Next we got,
Bear riding buffalo.
We got a cool art print. Every month, ComicTom does a pretty cool art print. This one's signed by the creator. It's numbered 280 out of 1600, so that's pretty cool. That's probably the coolest thing we've gotten so far out of there, so I'll definitely take that. I love my art prints. I miss when Eschlinger did it. He used to make these really cool like watercolor art things. My dogs are barking in the background, as you can hear, because they just like to be loud. Next we got Uncanny XMen number 171. I think this is the first time Rogue appears on the X-Men, if I'm not mistaken, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's cool.
Slight key. I mean,
we'll take the minor key for the collection.
Might as well add it to the run. It's not a mile, so it has to be good.
Yeah, whenever you see the cooler case, you know it's a better comic, right? Next we got this little print. I think this is the newsletter. So it has Deadpool. He always throws these out just to kind of show you what to look out for, what's going to be in the box.
I think that's indicative of a Deadpool from the 9.8 New Mutants.
Oh yeah, am I going to get the New Mutants 9.8?
Polaroid's coming next, I think.
Are we going to get it?
Close.
That's a little big for a Polaroid, but...
I don't know, it could be a real big Polaroid. Basically the same thing.
We got Long Live Pro Wrestling, Scout Comics variant. Every month, ComicTom does like a cool exclusive, like I was saying before. And this is this month's. It's signed right here by Piper and the creator of the comic. So that's cool.
Nice green label.
Yeah, right? This one won't be sent into CGC. But yeah, so Piper's done some really cool artwork, so I really enjoy getting the exclusive Scout comics. They're always like some off-the-wall kind of weird.
Alright, now pull out that Polaroid, Connor. Nobody cares about the Polaroid.
No Polaroid.
Oh, come on.
So, no New Mutants 98, but maybe our next things will give us a little more hope here.
A little bit more excitement.
Yep.
So, what we got next is, of course, our Silver Age CGC comic books that we've sent in. And let's see what the first one is. Either his or mine. We never know.
We got.
And we got a receipt.
Oh.
We're going to take that out.
The receipt will plague us forever.
Yeah, they always get us. I mean, yeah, we spent the $27 whatever to get these graded. Alright, so first off, we got Amazing Spider-Man number 101.
And why don't you tell them how you got that one?
First need to know what it is. It's the first appearance of Morbius,
they know
living vampire.
They're
watching should. This. So I'll just show you guys the grade first. You can see it first. I'm hoping not an NG. Is that an NG?
Nope, no NG, dude.
1.8. Let's go. Not a 2.0, nothing magical, but like I said, I paid maybe like $55 for this. I bought a small lot first, and then we started messaging on eBay, and then he's like, "Oh, do you want to buy this for me?" And I'm like, "Heck yeah!" And I got like a run of Excalibur and this in for like $55, I think, for it.
If you look, you see this fuzzy beard here. It's all the charisma he needs to get all the deals he wants on eBay.
He buys a Spider-Man 300 that's completely faded by the sun.
Yeah, mine comes like folded in half and broken, and he gets like, oh, here, take these free comics. So he just has some kind of good luck.
And then it works out in the end. He gets
mine,
some presents. Yeah, I think so.
So what we got here is an Amazing Spider-Man number 43, first appearance of my girl, Mary Jane Watson. First full appearance.
Mary Jane.
She has like 12 different appearances. But first full appearance of Mary Jane Watson. So, got a 5-0, let's go. I bought this on eBay for like 30 bucks, and I was like, you know what, I might as well just get it slabbed, so...
Forever sealed.
Yeah, at least it won't fall apart on me, it won't ever break down.
I mean, it's a little bit better than mine.
It's in like pretty good condition, as you guys can see. It's got cream to off-white pages, but for such an old book, I mean, it's kind of hard to find white pages.
Book. I have off-white to white.
Oh, yeah. His is also falling apart at the seams, so I would say mine would be the win of the week.
I don't know about that one. Mine's pretty heating down, if you ask me.
Heating down. It's always heating down on this channel. So, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. We're going to do a next video. We'll be doing a giveaway for all 7 or 8 of our subscribers at this point, so hopefully we have more by then, so we have a little bit bigger of a pool to give away, but if not...
I have another box that's mystery, so maybe the giveaway can be out of there if there's something you guys really like. I mean,
yeah, we'll see.
Never know.
We'll see. He has a mystery box, like he just said, coming in, so we'll be doing an unboxing of that this week sometime.
It's supposed to be here today, so it could be any one of these days. Just keep on watching. You can find out.
Yeah.
Over 100 books in there. I kind of forgot what the heck the guy even sent to us. I know that there is a graphic novel number 4. That's the only thing I remember, and that's for him.
Yeah, and I have no idea what's in there, so that'll be a cool unboxing. We'll also do an unboxing of the rest, or well, not really an unboxing, but a reveal of what else we have CGC wise. We have like another like 50 slabs in the basement, so we'll be pulling those out. Let me know if you guys want to see mystery box unboxings. I'll go on eBay and find some weird stuff to pull apart, because I always enjoy mail and doing stuff like that. But yeah, so giveaway next video, like, subscribe, comment, Triple C Collectibles.
Thank you guys very much.
Let's go.